Hello my friends, this video it's about changing cabin air filter and the regular air filter. In general, all the air filters are located the one location except some luxury vehicle like a BMW where the air filter is down here, where the windshield is outside you're looking at. So and yes, you have to check your filters every time you do an oil change. All the Hondas, Toyotas, and many other vehicles, the cabin air filters are located behind the glove box. So basically, you come here, open this, and then on each and what you do, you press each side simultaneously, or maybe just by itself you can. If you don't have a person with you, you press each side. Okay, now look what I'm doing. I use one foot here and then the hand here, and now I'm going to press them in, and you see it comes down even though the stuff fall off, but that's how it's done. And then you see that's the where the air filter is, and all you do, see, you this little button here, and that would remove it. Yeah, you press, and this is it here, and so you just yeah, you just pull it out, and yeah, voila. I mean, it looks a little bit dirty. Yeah, so I'm just going, I don't need to replace it yet. I'm just going to dust it off. Okay, so it looks like I mean, these things are not expensive. I'm going to buy another one and replace it. At least you know how it's done, and you just put it back in there like this. Yeah, and put the yeah, and put this thing, yeah, just like that. So let me do it with both hands. But anyway, you just put the tab. Then, just in case this thing totally come off, all you do is see, you just put it right here, and then you push that up, and it will, and that's it for the Honda. Now let's go to the all right, for Fiat. This is the air filter. That's where it is located. You just remove the screws here and just open up, and you put the air filter. Very easy. Like most cars, the cabin air filter is always it's, yeah, generally behind the glove compartment. But since Fiat is a very small car, they put it somewhere else. Same area, but it is underneath. I've already had a video about how to remove it, and I will put a link to that video. So it's you remove this side panel, you see underneath, and then in the it's here down. Yeah, it's here, and you remove this too. So you may not need to remove this if you don't want to, but it allows you to remove this without breaking it, and with it at ease. So I will put a link on how to replace the cabin air filter. All right, now let's do the Hyundai. This is the air filter, and it's very easy to check, and then it's at a great place. And so all you have to do is unlatch it here, and there is one right here, and two of them. So it's clean because yesterday I did an oil change and they are fine. And you should do this, check the air filter every time you're doing an oil change. Don't let the mechanic or the shop folks replace it for you, because they will charge you not only for the filter, which is more expensive, and then for labor. This is basic.
Okay.
All right, the main repair for this video is this Hyundai. That's Hyundai Elantra, but all the Hyundais and again any other vehicles is the same way. You have the cabin air filter is behind here, so you remove your stuff or bric-à-brac, and then so you have to remove it. But this car, I like it. Instead of pressing, it just has two knobs. Can you feel it? Yeah, two knobs here. Or you button. You turn. When you turn and you remove them. See, and then voila, and this could come out. You see? Okay, this is how this thing works. You see here, you see how it is. This is how you this is how you lock it, and then you turn the button, and then you remove it, because this part is the one that goes inside here in the little chamber, this part here. But once you unlock and remove it, then this will come out by itself. So the way now, this is where the cabin air filter is. That's for the AC, folks. AC. It's right here, and you see there are two knobs. There's on each side. All you do, you press them. Yeah, voila. You see that? You press them. Okay, and then that's it. Open this, and then this the filter comes out it comes out. All you have to do is just pull it out. Ooh, hoo, hoo. Look at that. Look at that. So it looks like I need a, oh no, it's because that's the color. But yeah, let me clean. I will clean this out. Let me try to clean it a little bit more. All right, so I will replace. I have to buy another one. But I'm going to put this same one back, and the procedure is the same. So you put it, so to make sure it goes this way. You see the flow, the way it is. You don't put it upside down, and put it back in there. Very easy. And then that's the clip. Why I say clip? The cover. It is it's great. And then and then now I will put, do this, and then I put the you see, it holds it. Only one can hold it. And so now I just put the other one and lock it, and that's it. Now you change cabin air filters on all of your cars. And finally, some cars, very luxury cars, like some BMWs. I don't know if all of them. The cabin air filter is under the hood, down the windshield, and so that's where, because basically the cabin air filter, the air is from here. So some BMWs, you have to remove this, and then the air filter is down this way. And so I don't know if there are other cars that are the same, just in case. But anyway, if you go under the dash, the glove compartment, and you cannot locate your cabin air filter, consult the user manual. Okay, and then if you don't have one, then just go online for your particular vehicle and check to see where the cabin air filter is located. Do it yourself. Even if you take your car to a mechanic for oil change and they said, oh, you need to change your air filter, cabin air filter, do it yourself, because they will charge you a lot more. Okay, thanks for watching.